Hi, I'm Mike from Repair Shop of Tomorrow, and we're here at Andy's Tire and Auto Service in Alton, Illinois with the owner, Mark. So Mark, how long have you been in Napa Auto Care and how has it affected your business?
We've always been in Napa Auto Care. We came to Alton and did the Tire and Auto Center in 2012 and working with McKay Auto Parts, and they kind of showed us the benefits of being part of the Napa program, and we've just really haven't known any other way but to be a part of the Napa program.
What does being a Napa Gold shop mean to you?
Well, there's several things. First off, we can offer a 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty. It lets everybody know that we've gone through all the steps that we need to do to be the best in the area. I believe there's only about 10 Napa Gold shops in the Southern Illinois area, and we're one of them now.
Wow, impressive. So speaking of the 3-year, 36,000 mile warranty, why don't you talk a little bit about that and what's that done for your business?
Well, there again, it gives us an opportunity to offer customers that extra 12 months, 12,000 miles that they don't normally get anyplace else. A lot of places are 12 months, 12,000 miles, and if they may go up to 24 months, but we're able to do the 3 years, 36,000 miles, so it makes a big difference for us when we're selling to the customers.